So I'm going to attempt to make a vase. I've created a template that I'm going to use. I've transferred the template onto the centre of the vase wood. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sandwich a hardwood on either side of this. So I've got to cut this shape out and start getting the hollow in it for a vase. It's not something I've tried before, so it's a bit experimental. Hopefully it'll go very well. We'll see. So I'm not sure if you can see clearly there, but what I've done is I've stayed proud of the line of the template, and what I'll do is I'll sand back to the line and hopefully get the shape accurate. Next section that I need to do is to cut the centre out, which would be where the flower stems and the water would sit. Just got to draw some lines into that and understand what I'm going to cut out. During the sanding process I've changed the shape slightly. You see how it hooks around instead of being quite as square as on the template. This is to support some of the equipment I've got, otherwise I'd just never have got it sanded. Nice bit of dark wood, I'm not sure what it is to be honest. It's got quite the curve in it. I think when I cut it, so it's two half sizes, I think we're going to remove some of that bow. Now put the wood through the thicknesser, finger up. It's quite a harsh wood, that brittle that snaps from time to time, gets a bit of snipe going through. I think we can sand that off. Decision now is which side to have on the front and the back. Make sure we pick the nice markings so they show it well. So weatherproof wood glue, bottle's not a very good spout, I haven't got a brush, wood glue, I need to get a latex brush, so I'm just going to spread this out best I can. Careful squeeze out. All we need to do is clamp it all up. Not much else I can do now. Leave that to dry. Actually going to leave it overnight because it's late evening. See what it looks like in the morning. So we've got the clamps off now, and we're ready to cut the front and back face. So we've pretty much flushed around the outside, a bit of tidying up to do, a bit of sanding, etc. The issue we've got is the curve on the top, because as we cut the centre out, there's nowhere for the flush bit to go to, so that's where I'm going to use the template. So I've made a slight error, so the curve's not going to be as to the template because the wood's been glued on a bit short. So I'm going to have to find that curve pretty much myself, I think. All rounded over, and I had to adjust it slightly at the top. Pretty much a finished item, bit of finishing, sanding, etc. and we're away. In actual fact, I'm really pleased. I think that's a lovely shape. So now I'm going to try and waterproof the inside of the vase. I've measured up a jar. I'm going to mix some epoxy. 5 parts resin, 1 part hardener, 1, 2, 4, 5, the tin. So all I've done is marked up in increments of 1 centimetre. Let's get mixing. This resin some time ago, not really used it. 1, 2, 3, 4, probably more than enough before. That's 4. Slightly less hardener than I was planning. Just under, that should do it. Mix. A bit more than enough what I need. So my idea, if it works, is just to pour it in. We've got lots of bubbles. It's inside the vase, so it doesn't really matter. And just just to run it round. Try and coat every surface. Put masking tape over the edges so that don't get any on the finished wood. Excellent to me. Wasted quite a bit. Doesn't come cheap in the UK. And wipe away some of the excess so it doesn't run. Side of the wood. Excellent. Leave that to dry.